What's up, guys? Good evening. Jason here at the Players Club in Burbank, California, talking to you about the Harmonic Minor Scale. We're going to look at how it's applied within The Thrill Is Gone. It's B.B. King week, so I thought we'd take a look at how we apply some theory here. If you're a new member just joining us tonight, welcome. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button so you know when all of our content comes out. We do a new player focus each week, as well as some other deep dives on mechanics and other little trinkets here along the way. Anyway, the harmonic minor scale, at its absolute core, is a natural minor scale with a raised seventh degree. So a half step from the root would be the 7, and that's what we mean by natural position. Let's take a look. Real simple. We're going to be in the key of B. That is the 7th fret of the E string. So you have now that's your B pentatonic. If we add in our 2nd and our 6th degree, we get B natural minor, or Aeolian mode. Now, if we use the scale degrees to count up to the 7th, you'll see that it's a whole step from the root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So you have a distance there of a whole step, which is 2 frets, 7, 1. Now the harmonic minor scale replaces this flat 7 with a natural 7. So you can see now it's only 1/2 step from the root. Sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, natural 7, 1. Now you can continue that on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, natural 7, 1. Don't try and memorize the scale pattern yet. Just try and explore the theory by counting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, natural 7, 1, and really seeing and understanding the distance of that natural 7th to root or octave interval. Just really understanding the distance between that and hearing it. It has a very unique sound. So once you've done that, then go ahead and learn the pattern, learn the scale, run your fingers, do some finger exercises, you know, the whole deal. But now let's take a look at how it is used within The Thrill Is Gone. So Thrill Is Gone, we're playing in B minor. So you had the B minor 7 chord, you had the E minor 7th chord. And we're thinking, well, the 1 chord is minor, the 4 chord is minor. Doesn't that mean the 5 chord's minor? Well, if we played the 5 chord, which would be F sharp, as a minor, it sounds okay. Going back to that 1, check it out. Nice, right? Well, listen to this. It just has a little bit more suspense, a little bit more jazz to it. And that's the harmonic minor at work. So it creates this very interesting suspense within the listener's ears, even if the listener is yourself, that when released back to the 1 minor chord, it just sounds very fulfilling. Now, the OG songwriters way back in the day heard this and thought, oh, you don't have to play a minor chord on a 5. You can play a dominant chord and it releases nicely back into the 1. So that's what's happening, because in this F sharp 7th chord, the major 3rd, and that's what makes it a dominant chord, is B flat or A sharp, however you want to label it. Guess what? That's the same note in the harmonic minor scale. So we add that note in to the 5 chord, and it creates this excellent resolution going back to the 1. I would advise you review this video a couple times if you're like, huh? Just bear with me, okay? So all we did was raise up the 7th degree of the minor scale by 1/2 step. We went and changed it to. We now see that that note is used to create a dominant sound on the 5 chord, F sharp 7. We do that to create a very nice release of tension when going back to that one chord. So, harmonic minor scale, a minor scale with a natural 7, half step from the root. I would suggest you go over the scale a few times. I would suggest that you try and play this dominant 7 to root position chord transition in a few different keys to really understand it. And then once you have the scale down, look up on your friendly YouTube channel, harmonic minor backing track, and just start messing around with it. And you might find you like those licks. So just a quick example, if I were to do that in the key of A minor, E7, back to A minor, it just sounds really good. Review the video as many times as you need, but that's what harmonic minor scale is.